Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a quick look, I guess you can say. It's I'm gonna say like my everyday, but it's not really my everyday. So thank you so much for stopping into my channel. I really appreciate that, you being part of the B team, and also I do want to thank you for being here and watching me and so on. So today I already did my eyebrows. They're not perfect. They probably look pretty much thick. I already moisturized my face. I already washed it. I use my favorite clearance. If you haven't watched my last video, I am talk about there when I restocked. And also what else, I forget about a lot of stuff. So right now all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready and talk to you guys. So go ahead and let's keep going. Okay, so what I ended up using this gold beige Too Faced concealer, and that's what I used to go ahead and carve out my actual brows. And I'm also going to go ahead and use this as a base primer for my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just picking up this brush, like it's like a long time ago. As you can see, it's pretty much already like broken apart because it's super. But if you are like from the BH Cosmetics from the back in the day when they all launched and before it started becoming so famous, the whole makeup industry, you would know which one I'm talking about. It was probably like in the back in the day. You see that logo right there? It's like so old. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lids. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing that right now. And that's about it. Just to get them started, and that's all I'm gonna do. I haven't done this like full tutorial as far as doing my brows and doing my full bead makeup or even my everyday, just because I haven't done it in so long. And I'm just gonna talk through it, you know. It's been a while, don't get me wrong. If by any chance do you prefer this over the what's it called, voiceover? I think that's what it's called, yeah, over the voiceover, let me know in the comments down below if you prefer that or me talking, or what is the best way you prefer, like a video tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe brush, and this is in G34. And this just looks like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buff my concealer all the way in to go ahead and blend that in. So all I'm just doing is just tapping. Nothing special, just tapping to blend that in. And you can use an actual eye primer or an actual concealer, whatever you prefer. Anything works. I feel like you just have to know what works best for you. And if you have to set it, you go ahead and set it. And if you prefer just to have it tacky and then go out straight to the shadows, you can do so as well. For palette, I'm going to go ahead and use this Dose of Colors Frication palette from Daisy and Katie. As you guys might know this palette already, but I'm just going to go ahead and go with this palette just because it has a lot of those natural, you know, kind of browns that I'm looking for just for my everyday. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I really love all these other colors that it's like has like the shimmer in it, and it's really nice, but I think it's more like going out. But basically I like to focus on this one, on this one, and this too, just for my everyday and actual brown shades that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit of this one right here, which is just basic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that right here above like where my actual crease is at, right in between. And I'm just doing very lightly motion on here, so like that I can go ahead and kind of blend it in. I know I haven't plucked my eyebrows out, I'm just letting them grow out, so like that I can go ahead and get them all full and fluffy again and then have them redone. So all I'm just doing is just focusing right here on this outer part, not very far away. And the brush I'm using is actually from Coastal Essence. If you know this brand, it's been there on the beauty industry for a long time as well. And this is the BRBS 06, which is this one right here. and it's from the Coastal Scents. And it's like a bamboo type of shape. So now I'm gonna go in and grab this brown one, which is the churro one. This kind of looks like a dark brown in here, but it's actually not brown that dark. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's more like a chocolatey brown, but we're gonna go ahead and dip that in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Artist Couture, which is the Spotlights and Glitz. I'm just gonna use that on my actual finisher and top that off on my actual lint. This is what it looks like. And this works best when you use your actual finger and go ahead and apply that on your actual lid. It's going to work a lot better than actually a brush. It's very, very recommended to go ahead and do so. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on my eyes. You see the difference of like one and then of course the other one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the side. And you can actually like drag it and it's gonna build that. It's infused with some type of oil, I believe. And that makes it a lot like not feel too graspy, or what's that word called? I don't even know. Grady, I think that's what it's called, grady. Alrighty you guys, so all I'm gonna do right now is gonna go ahead and pop in some lashes and then move on with my face. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I want to go ahead and put my lashes on, and this is the style Miami, and I want to go ahead and put my foundation on just to make it a little quicker for you guys. So this is the foundation that I'm currently wearing. This is the Estee Lauder, and this is the double wear, and this is in that shade. I know probably I don't fit on it, but you know what, we're gonna work with it because right now I am in a hurry and I need to go ahead and go to work and whatnot. That's my everyday kind of routine. We all have different kinds of foundation with different shades, and trying to find the perfect one is pretty complicated. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move on, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the concealers to go ahead and contour and highlight. This is the two shades I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Golden Beige, and then I'm also going to be using this one, which is Chestnut, to go ahead and contour. So I'm only going to grab a little bit and give that a whirl. I'm going to put this in the back of my hand, just a very, very tiny amount. And then I am going to go ahead and grab this same brush I was using for where to carve my my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this a little bit to go ahead and chisel my face. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit as well to my forehead, because I have a big forehead, guys. So that's all I'm gonna do, and a little bit on my nose. I'm just using the whatever. I'm not picking any more product on here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start buffing this. So a best brush for me to buff all of this out, it's gonna be this kind of stipple brush, and this is from Sephora collection, and this is this Pro Small Stippling brush, which is diffuser number 42 or something like that. That's this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's what I'm gonna use to go ahead and blend all of this. Not too bad. hair's always on the way. I don't know why. Is your hair always on the way? Because I feel like mine, it's like always on the way. Maybe it's just me. See, like it's always on the way. It gets colored, it gets on the way, and it's like everywhere, and I'm not all about that. I think this is why some girls wear that headbands on their heads, but then I'm like, it's another step to my whole routine, and I don't feel like doing that. I really don't. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back to my nose and do that side. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on with the concealer, which is the golden beige. I don't know if everybody likes this concealer. I have no idea because I've never tried it before. It's gonna be my first time doing so. Gonna go back to my favorite beauty blender. I was gonna say blush, I don't know why. But that's my favorite one of all times. I feel like I can never go wrong with this one. I don't know why does it look yellow. Is it just me? But it looks freaking yellow. And I'm gonna go in the back of that just to blend that. And I'm making my eyes roll back. Like, hello. I don't know. I think I probably got the wrong shade. I don't want to look like a clown either. But I am gonna go ahead and highlight this, so I will do that. I'm gonna go back with my Shape Tape and go ahead and do that. Just to highlight the areas. I think I'm like double concealing this. I don't know. But it's like whatever. At this point, I just want to look like, hello, I want it to be like my skin. But obviously it's not skin because I'm putting so much crap into my face. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, go around if I feel like I need to with my whole entire contour. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face and then go ahead and powder puff, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this collab powder, and this is in the translucent loose setting powder, and this is in this shade Sand Beige. I picked it up the other day at Sally's, and I kind of wish I would have had the actual translucent one, which is like very clear and I could go ahead and powder my whole face. This one actually has color in it, which I mean, I don't mind. It gives me that perfect flawless looking skin. This is what it looks like, and it's very mild, which is like, it's really good. Like, I don't get me wrong, I don't remember how much the Laura Mercier cost or the other kind of brands, but this one was like, I believe I'll say 12 or 15, don't quote me on that, so I'm not quite sure. So all I do is just grab the powder puff that comes with it, and then I just do that and then tap it all around my face. And this is pretty much what I do. And then I press on it and I start doing that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Phantom, which is kind of like this brown kind of like shade. And then of course I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter, which is the Artist Couture, and this is in the Illuminati one. Alrighty, so all I did, I want to go ahead and carve to put my highlighter, my bronzer, and my lower lash mascara. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use this Laneige lip balm. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. And it does smell delicious, and it squirts like that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and dust this away. Okay guys, so this is the makeup. The only thing about the spray is just that I just don't like that whenever it sprays, it leaves me like the little spots when the, I guess like the whole thing falls into my face. So then I have to go back into the sponge and tap it all away. But this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I didn't do my hair because I'm just gonna go ahead and change, throw it into something and then take off and then be gone. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and further ado, keep on watching the next ones, and hopefully you are following me through my social media. And also please give it a thumbs up as well. Please don't forget to subscribe into the little red button right here, and also turn on your post notifications for any upcoming videos. And as well, I really do appreciate you guys coming in and checking me out as well. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. And if anything else, comment down below what is your I don't know, what is your favorite routine, what is your way of going out to just everyday work. And yeah, that's about it. I appreciate you guys. Bye.